What's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration. We got two of the lowriders out here that we did at the shop. We got Mona's Fleetwood, and we got Jermaine's Monte Carlo. These are more paint jobs that was done by John's Restoration. We was out here, my brother-in-law Vito and his boys was doing a little video shoot, so we brought a couple of cars out. We get ready to try to do something big for the summer of 2010. This one right here, we get ready to start on the interior real soon. Get the interior done on it. This belonged to Mana. Him and Jermaine are just two of the members of Street Dreamz Lowrider Car Club. All of that's paint, no stickers, all paint. This one belonged to Jermaine, another member of Street Dreamz. We at John's Restoration did the paint. He had the interior done. These are two more vehicles that was done by John's Restoration. Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277.